Okay, good afternoon, dear. Okay, okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Enough.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, ready for the class? And no one should use the chat box. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
No one should use the chat box. You can clarify with me. Okay?
Okay. Laman. Where is the man? Let's travel. Ma'am. Your videos off. Your video off. Ma'am, your video got stuck. Ma'am is the host. You leave. Ma'am, leave. Ma'am. Amen is the host now. Our failure. Amen. Did you mute everybody? Power failure, ma'am is not available. Ma'am is not here. Ma'am is not here. Mother is mutti. Ma'am, you're muted. Ma'am, you're muted.
Okay. There was power failure. Now, okay. Let me ask some questions regarding the last class. Muhammad Faiz, unmute and tell me. Muhammad, unmute. Yeah. You tell me what all the things we need to send a parcel. If you're sending me a parcel, what all the things you need? Faiz, tell me what all the things you need to send a parcel to me.
Friend name.
Who is telling? I'm asking to Muhammad Faiz. Others, please mute yourself, okay? All others will mute yourself. Only Muhammad Faiz will answer me. Okay, only Muhammad Faiz will answer me now. Muhammad, what are the things you need? Tell me now, what are the things you need to send a parcel to me? You're going to send a parcel to me. So what are the things you require?
Ma'am, I can be saying the answer.
Wait, let Muhammad try. I want everyone to answer me. When I ask question, say it is to everyone, all. Ashwath, sit properly, Ashwath. Ashwath. Okay. Now, tell me nicely, what are the things? Savi and Shiju. Now, Savi and Shiju, tell me. Unmute and tell me, what are the things you need if you're sending me a parcel? Savian will say now.
The person. And you hear the person is the name of the person.
Who is saying? Who is saying? Is it Savian? Savian is not telling. I am asking to Savian. Let Savian tell me the answer now.
Ma'am, some network problem. And you hear the question.
Who? Savion. Savion, now can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Listen to me properly. Savion is going to send me a parcel. Okay.
Okay.
So to reach that parcel to me, what all the things you need?
What things you
The last class, I explained it very nicely. See, these are the things we need to reach the parcel to me. I said the same example. I said, if you're going to send me a parcel, what all the things you need? Ah,
You need the name,
Ah.
then
ah,
the place
ah.
we have.
Okay, at least few things. Said. Kailasnath, can you tell me? Wait. Let. Okay, Savian, you at least 2 answers you said. Good. Kailasnath.
Ma'am, I only say the answer.
Wait. Let others. Kailasnath,
only say the answer.
tell me what all the things you need if you're going to send me a parcel. Kailasnath. Can you hear me? Kailasnath, where are you? Yeah, tell me now. What are the things you need?
The person
Hmm. Yeah, you're saying the correct answer. Tell me now. Arav, can you tell me, Arav? If Arav is going to send me a parcel, what all the things you need to send me a parcel? If the parcel need to reach me, what all the things you need? Arav, say it clearly and loudly. Arav, can you hear me? Tell me the answer. What all the things you need if you are sending me a parcel? Huh? Let me check. Okay, and Pavida, can you tell me what? All the others, please listen.
You need the name of the person,
Very
the
good.
place name,
Very
what
good.
we are going to giving the things we have to write in.
See, I told
What
we are going to learn something different. I said I started the class saying, see, we have already 3 friends with us, and I said Meher is going to send a greeting card to Meher's friend. So he was asking his papa to post this card. So Meher was not sure of what to do about the cover, over the cover. So Papa was telling, if you write simply India, if you write simply India, it will not reach the place. Okay, now if you write India, will it reach me? If Aunt Pavida is sending me a gift, and if you write simply India, will it reach to me?
No. You have to write the place name.
You need my name. So you will write my name. Okay. Then where I am. See, now I am in the school. So you will write Dr.
Raju Davis International
Raju Davis International School. This is not there in the textbook. You listen to me now. International School. So the address is very clear. Mala. And which district it is? Thrissur. So the address is very clear. You have written my name, where I am, the place name, and which district it is. So it will reach to me. So anywhere, anything you wanted to send, whether it is a letter, whether it is a parcel, you have to mention the person name, where that person is, maybe a house name, or the house number, the street where that house is situated, in which area, whether it is in village or in the town. So you have to specify all this so that the parcel will reach to the person without any problem. And Pavitra, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Bihan, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. And we learnt about villages. Do you remember? Do you remember that we learnt about villages?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What are the the
Small.
speciality of a village? Can anyone tell? Okay, let
Small.
me ask.
Small in size.
Wait, Aunt Pavitra, wait. Let Joseph Anthony tell me the speciality of village.
Small in size.
Yeah, villages always
Small in size.
in size. Then, next speciality of the village, Sandal Sudhi. Sanjal, can you tell me one speciality of the village that we learned last year?
Place.
Huh?
Open place.
Yeah, there we will have more
Place.
open space.
Open space.
Open place or open space. Okay. Next is to Amen. Amen, tell me one more speciality of the village. Amen. Amen.
Pollution.
Huh?
No pollution.
No pollution. Very good. It is not polluted. No pollution.
No airport.
Huh?
No airport. Pollution.
Yeah, Fine. Tell me one more speciality of the village.
No airport.
Wait.
No airport.
Let Fayan say the answer, please. Fayan, tell me one more speciality of the village.
Airport.
Huh?
No airport.
No airport. Okay.
Grama Panchayat.
And let Michelle tell me who governed the village. Who governed the village? Wait. Let Michelle tell me the answer.
Gram Panchayat.
Let Michelle tell me the answer.
Gram Panchayat.
Yeah, who rules the village?
Gram Panchayat.
Gram
Gram Panchayat.
Panchayat.
Gram.
Okay, so this much is clear to you all?
Yes.
All of you learned this much?
Yes.
There are few more. My little stars are waiting. I should ask them this. Okay. Okay, this much is clear to you all. Now, shall we learn the next step?
Yes.
That is regarding town. How many of you live in towns? How many of you
Amali.
who Vihan is staying in a town? Kailas Nath. Okay.
I.
Again. Who all live in a town? Amen. Where do you stay? Where do you live?
Big town.
Yeah, it's a
Big
big
city.
town. Yeah, it's a city.
I
Okay.
live in city.
Okay.
Village. Village.
Town.
It's okay.
Village.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
I
some stay
live in big
okay. Some stay in villages, some stay in town, some stay in big town, some stays in cities, some stays in big cities. Okay, let us see what is the difference from a village to a town. Okay? What's the difference between a village and a town? Okay? Now we will see, we are going to learn about the towns.
town.
Video.
I'll show you. Once
Make-
I finish village, towns and cities, I'll show you the video. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Now we are going to learn about what?
Town.
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 Towns. Okay. Let us see.
Town.
First of all, the town is governed by municipal councils. Who governs the town?
Gram Panchayat.
It's not.
Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat.
No.
Gram Panchayat.
Governed by
Gram Panchayat. Municipality.
municipal council.
Municipality.
It's not municipality. The towns are governed by municipal councils. Say,
Municipal council.
it's not municipality. We are going to learn what's the difference between municipal councils and municipality. Okay? So towns are always governed by... Huh? What happened?
Municipal
Councils. Governed by, the towns are governed by municipal council. One minute. Municipal councils. So the village is governed by whom?
Panchayat.
Gram Panchayat. And same way the towns are governed by
Municipal council.
councils. Is it clear to you now?
Yes.
Now we will see the speciality of a town. The speciality of a town. They are bigger than the village. The towns are
Bigger than
than
village.
the village.
Bigger.
Bigger than the
Village.
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 village. Then, but they are smaller than the cities. They are smaller,
And the city.
smaller than the
Cities.
Smaller than
cities.
cities.
They are bigger than the village and smaller than
The
village. Towns have more facilities. What do they have? They have
Facilities.
more facilities than
town.
cities, villages.
Or facilities. Than
More facilities than village. What are they? Like in the town we will have
airports.
A big city.
no hospitals,
Hospital.
and we will have schools,
School.
Police stations.
Police
and
station.
we will have
Police station.
police station. Even village, some of the villages we have police station. Like we will have hospitals, schools, big churches, temples, mosques, everything we will see in a town.
Village.
And It is also town. Town
Town.
will be polluted than village. It will be,
Village.
Polluted than villages.
yeah,
Fire.
polluted,
Village. Fire
polluted
station.
than
Fire station.
village. Yeah, fire station also will be there. So we see the differences. No, in the town there won't be airport. In the cities only airport will be there. So we saw,
In Kerala have airport.
yeah, that is in the
Airport.
Cochin airport. Cochin is a big city. Okay, it's not town. Cochin completely when we take it is a big city. Okay. Okay, now we saw the differences, villages and towns. Okay,
Yes.
villages,
Town.
towns. So shall we see the differences in villages and towns? This is small in size.
Small in size.
Town is little big in size.
Small in size.
Size? Big.
Big in size. Okay. Now, next is we see greenery here.
More greenery.
Yeah, in the town,
greenery.
less greenery. Sometimes there won't be greenery at all. Here we don't have facilities.
Less facilities. More facilities.
Don't have
Airport.
facilities.
Have facilities.
But here we have more facilities.
More
Not more,
facilities.
but we have facilities. Like,
More facilities.
like such as hospitals, schools, etc. Okay?
Okay.
Next, it is not polluted, but there it is. Cities are, here it is, polluted. Not polluted, towns are polluted. Who governs village?
Gram Panchayat.
Gram Panchayat.
Gram Panchayat.
And here, municipal.
Municipal. Gram Panchayat.
Municipal
Municipal.
council. Municipal councils. So did you see the differences between a village and a town?
Yes.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, this is for us to understand the difference between a village and a small town. Again, we will be going to the city. So we will see much more differences in the cities. Okay, now we saw the difference between village and town. Now we learn about cities. So city means what you understand very clearly. It's a large place bigger than the village and the town. So the cities are governed by municipal corporation.
Municipal.
Municipal corporation.
Governed by
Municipal corporation.
municipal corporation. Who rules, who governs cities? Municipal corporation. So who rules cities?
Municipal corporation.
Municipal corporation. Who governs town? Who governs town?
Municipal council.
Municipal council. See, now I will write who governs village, who governs cities, who governs towns. Okay?
Video.
Villages governed by
Gram Panchayat.
by Gram Panchayat and towns
Towns governed by municipal council.
governed by
Municipal
municipal councils and the cities
governed by municipal corporation.
very good, governed by
Municipal corporation.
municipal
Corporation.
corporation. You should learn the spelling of this, okay? So is it clear now?
Yes.
Who governs what? The villages are governed by Gram Panchayat. Towns are governed by
Municipal
council.
Municipal council.
Councils, okay. And cities governed by?
Municipal corporation.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Now you say yes, and tomorrow when I ask, no one will open the mouth. Only very few children will open the mouth. Others will just forget, go sleep and come to the next class without even reading the textbook. Isn't it?
Yes.
So now we saw the differences between
And
villages.
textbook pages.
Wait. Now we saw the differences between villages and towns. Now we will see what all the speciality are there in a city. So we saw when it comes to the town, the space is more. Now the city is bigger than both towns and villages.
Teachers. Ma'am,
Hmm.
right.
No. Now learn. Okay? Cities. Cities bigger than,
Towns and villages.
yeah, very good. Bigger than villages and towns. Villages and towns.
Town.
Now, the next is the facilities are more than the villages and towns.
Airports.
Yeah, we will have airports, then
Police stations.
police stations, schools, colleges. Okay, all this and facilities are,
Bigger hospitals.
yes. Facilities are more. For example, airports will be there, then slept off. Schools. Then,
Colleges.
yeah, big hospitals.
Pollution.
Huh? Then,
Offices.
colleges.
Offices.
Yeah, big offices.
College.
So all the facilities will be there.
Police station.
Yeah, police station, everything, all the
Yes,
possible
station.
facilities will be there in a
Malls.
city, than a
Ma'am,
town and a village.
Ma'am, malls also.
Rails, all kinds of facilities like railway stations,
Fire station.
Malls.
fire stations,
Malls.
malls. Yeah, very good. Malls, everything is, and it is crowded. It is, the population is more. It is crowded than the,
Cities and towns.
yeah, cities and towns and the villages. Villages will have more space. Cities will have little more, lesser place. Then the cities will be crowded than towns and the villages. Okay? And it will be more polluted. It will be more polluted than the cities, the towns. Village, we said there is no pollution, but towns, we
Village.
said it is bit polluted, little bit polluted, and cities are more
Polluted.
polluted. And the village, towns, and cities form what?
And city.
First,
States.
very good. The villages,
Cities. Towns form states.
villages, towns,
Towns.
and
Cities.
City.
form
States. States.
states. Very good. States. So, how did a state is formed? How a state is formed?
State is formed from villages, towns, and cities.
The villages, towns, and cities form
State.
states. Is it clear?
Yes.
Very good, very good. So, now we have completed the first portion. Like we learned about village, we learned about towns, we learned about cities, and all these three forms a state.
State.
Okay, the villages, towns, and cities forms a state. So, in which state are we staying?
Thrissur.
State. We are in Kerala. Our state name is?
Kerala.
So our Kerala is formed by beautiful villages, towns, cities. Yeah, now 3B is going on. Wait a minute. Within few minutes, I will wind up. Okay. So now we learned about villages, about towns, about cities, and all these three forms states. Okay. So see you next class. Learn this nicely, the differences between all three and how a state is formed. So take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, children. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.